Okay guys, real quick, this person is saying, can we use those real stop songs without going against Facebook content monetization? Right, it's simple. Definitely you can actually use those real top songs. Even Facebook, they were actually inviting us, most of all that are monetized, that we can actually earn money using those music, right? But the most important thing is for you to actually understand how to use them. So don't worry, I'm going to show you in the screen how you can actually use it the right way without getting any kind of copyright. Recently I got a notification. The Facebook told me that I'm actually sharing earnings with a particular Nigerian musician. The reason why is because there is one of the video where I was at the gym. I used that guy's song on that video, and due to because the video was actually earning a little coin, and they said I'm going to be sharing the money with the person, right? So this is exactly how it works. When you use those videos, depending on the percentage the artist actually placed on the song, we are going to earn from it, and the artist is going to be earning from it as well. And the reason why they are doing it this way is because if you are earning from it as a content creator and the artist is also earning from it, it encourages content creators to actually use more of those songs. Before, most record labels actually put their songs in a way that even if you use it on reels, they will be the only one that earn from it. But now they understand that if they are the only people earning from it, most content creators will not like to use those sounds. So because of that, now they split the earnings now. But the most important thing is that you should do it the right way. The wrong way that people actually use people's music, which is wrong, is maybe during editing your video, you just put the music while editing your video and do not recognize that music using reel. So let me show you guys exactly the best way to use these reel stop songs in order not to actually violate any copyright strike or any policy. So what you need to do right away when you come to Facebook is for you to actually click on this blue cross, and once you click on it, you just need to select reels normal, like you're posting reels, and you just go and select the video you want to post. Let me say for instance, this is the video I want to post. I just need to select the video, and when I select the video, I now need to come to this audio right here. So when you come to audio, you're going to see all these songs right here. The best way to use all these songs is just this way. You just need to select any of them that you want. When you select them, there is actually avenue for you to actually reduce your own volume, so that only the music will be playing. Then you just need to click done and click on next, and that's it, right? So you can put on your caption and share, all right, just like this. So it's important for you to actually, when you want to use these people's music, just make sure that you're doing it this way. Just make sure that you're following through reels like this, right? So to avoid any issue. Do not add people's music in your video and post it directly without actually selecting it this way, because if you're selecting it this way, you're actually telling Facebook that you are using that particular sound, and as the people are playing it, you can actually earn money from it. So far your content monetization is monetized, right? So it's important for you to do it the right way so that you won't fall for copyright strike and all those things. So thank you all for watching this video. If you want to learn more on Facebook monetization, it's important for you to subscribe to this channel, because this channel will share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.